Bashir! We finally made it to the Kaaba! Are you Muslim? Why is your skin so dark?
Maryam, why did he ask that? Am I different?
Come, Bashir. Look at the world gathering here. Muslims are here from every land on earth.
I see so many faces. Some look just like us. Different languages, but into the one prayer.
Allah looks at your heart, not your color.
I see it now. We come in every color. It's okay. We are all one big family.
This is the Ummah. No one is left out.
One Ummah, forever. We are brothers.